not bad at all. Yeah, not bad. We taste it. Good. Very good. Mm. Mm. That is amazing. Couldn't have done better myself. Oh, you stick that. You're laughing. Good stuff. Well, guys, I am gonna max out this breakfast because I'm so hungry. Thank you again for being on my platform. Thank you so much for sharing this time with me. It's always a pleasure to have you come back on my platform to share moments like this. I do appreciate moments like this. But moments like this makes me realize how timely and how special it is to share with people. People, some of whom I don't know, some of whom I do know. Coming back each time I turn on that camera, say, hey, welcome to Farrell's Kitchen, or to say, hey, welcome to Farrell's Corner, which I will be doing a lot more of soon. Time. And I appreciate you being here. I appreciate your time spending with me and always making it so much fun. I like all the comments. I like all the likes that you give. And I appreciate everything. And I can't stress to say how appreciative I am because I truly am. Doing this platform with you, always on my side, always being there, always in my corner. Even the silent ones, I appreciate you guys because you help me to realize that this is a possibility and I can do it. My theme for 2025 is again, just do it. Glenn, why are you always so late? Glenn, where you been? Glenn, you missed everything. Oh my gosh, Glenn, I have to go over it again. Glenn, it was breakfast. Well, it is still breakfast. So I made a bunch of stuff. Show you. Because you missed it. You're going to have to go back and watch this entire video again. Frank's or Vienna sausage spicy. I like my spice. Bacon. Tomatoes. Scrambled eggs with oregano and chili peppers. Avocado. Plantains. It all looks good. And I was just about to devour it until you came on, Glenn. Then I have here bread that I bought yesterday. So beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? I think it's poppy seeds. Sesame seeds, yes. Sesame seeds on top. Really, really good. So that is what you missed, Glenn. I know, right? I'm making you hungry too. Oh my gosh, you're hungry. But I still appreciate you being here. I know you would be hungry. You're always hungry. Every time, guys, every time I'm cooking and Glenn comes on, he is hungry. And then I make him go cook something. Because he's so hungry, he needs to eat. So he has to make something. Sometimes he makes a close version of what I made, and sometimes he just makes something cool. Yeah, you're laughing. Yeah, you're funny too. So, unless you want me to eat in front of you, Glenn, and we could chat, because we need to catch up. It's been a hot minute. A hot minute, Glenn. I wasn't going to make tea, but maybe I should have some coffee with all this. We could wash down all that goodness. I'll turn my kettle on when I talk to you, Glenn. So what have you been up to? Oh, I miss our tea moments. I do. I do. What tea do you think I should make today? Oh, you've been working hard and traveling. Speak to me. I love me some good travel.